Yo, what's going on, everybody? We're back with a freezing banger.
What's up?
Bro, we just got out of work. What time is it? Like 7?
Like 8?
8?
Yeah.
Bro, we just got out of work. We work at nighttime, so you know we doing the. ¿Cómo le dicen otra vez esa cosa? Cuando no duermen.
Oh, like having trouble sleeping? Is that what you're saying?
Bro, I'm dead.
Is that what
He
you're saying?
said, having trouble sleeping.
No?
No.
Oh, insomnia?
No.
What are you talking about?
Whenever someone doesn't like sleep, but it's like a challenge or something.
I don't know.
Yeah, like when you stay up all night.
Oh, yeah?
All nighter. We pull that. We do all nighters
Yeah,
at work.
all-nighter, yeah.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? We finna grub on some food. We're finna. Let me take a sip out of this real quick. Too much. What is that thing called? ¿Cómo le llaman esa cosa otra vez? No, ASMR. This is the ASMR. Can y'all hear me? Head ass. See you in a bit. Energy levels are low. Yo, what's up? What's up, man? Hey, so you know how I said that I was like getting rid of my Z? Well, I came to get it. I came to get it again because I can't let go of it, man. This is my reliable baby right here. My Siri just left me everywhere. Siri needs some time. I needed to put some work inside of it. I mean, like, you know, inside the engine and stuff. It just needs some work. The motor blew. It's just, you'll see. Like, here, I'll just replay the clip right now. Nice. So we finally got it to start, but look at this. All bad. So I guess I have a hard knock and my battery's we jump started it, so we got it to start. Damn. But dang, yeah, guys, that was me driving, and it was just time for me to get the Z back out. Thank God, you know, because God helped me, you know, get this car back, because I mean it's always been mine, you know, but I just ran through so many complications, and thank you to my God. He helped me, and I'm so thankful, guys. Yeah, y'all don't even know. But I'm currently at the dealership. We have my bro over there, Jose. He's gonna jumpstart my car because obviously it's been sitting here for more than 100 days and without being started. So we're gonna get this car started, get it home. We're gonna change out the lug studs and all that crap, and the suspension. Let me pop the hood for my buddy. But I wanted to take it to takeover, but I don't think that's gonna happen. What are you looking for, bro? It's right there. It should be there, no? Ooh, So beautiful. Let's see, right? We heard this thing in a long time. Back. Little replacement. New one's in. Old one's out. Sexy. Let's get a little cinematic.
Rolling, let's go then. Let's just go and see the world and just show them what it really means to live life golden.
Alright. Too much footage. New one's in though. New lug studs in. Gotta grease these things up though. Rusty. What are we doing here, sir?
What's up, dude? Finish fucking long for gas.
Yeah. Finally got the estas in already.
On what side?
The passenger.
Passenger side?
Yeah. Turn for the driver. But the passenger one was the one I was taking because. Anyways, guys, we are back. And I'm looking like a disaster over here, you know what I'm saying? Check it out. Nah, but I'm just saying, damn. I was gonna get rid of it, guys, but changed my mind. Yes, guys, this is the interior of my car, you know what I'm saying? It's kind of dirty right now, but here's what it is for right now. They're already fixed, but I was fixing my lug studs because they're broken, as you can see. Yeah. And the other ones are like just bad. Look at this. You see that? Ugh, nasty. Guys, I didn't tell y'all, but I bought some new coils, some Racelands. Ooh, wet. Never seen these kind of Racelands. Ooh, there might be even BC coils. Who knows? Come here. So what's your opinion on my Racelands half BC coils right here?
Pretty good, dude.
Damn, bro, we should throw these on your Civic, bro.
Fancy, right?
Yeah, no license plate. Guys, just playing their OEMs. They're OEMs, guys. I'm just kidding. They're no BC or nothing. Obviously, you can tell. It's pretty janked up, but whew, take a look at these. Y'all think this is ugly? Or jacked up? Nothing compared to this piece of crap. Look at this. Watch. I'm gonna just move this tire. You see that? And you hear that? Not even touching the ground. Piece of crap. Oh no. Nah, please don't tell me my hover ceremony's messed up again. Oh nah. Nah, I'm not liking this. Man. Finally. After like an hour and a half later, got the stock one back on. Look at this, guys. It's my old one. Look at this. Wait, can't focus. Focus. It's not wanting to focus. Yep. Look at that. And last but not least, of course, this thing, it's messed up. Yep. It was just time for me to change it out. Of course, it's OEM, but later on, I'm getting some new coilovers. But, last but not least, we just need the other side to change the lug studs. So bear with me, I'm tired. I'm on. Oh, man, this sucks. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, I want to go wash my hands, but it's almost done. It's almost done, guys. Almost done. But anyways, guys, thank you for coming back and tuning in. I love y'all. See you guys next time.